Okay, guys. Evening. My name is Aji Maulana Ramadan. You can call me Aji. Here I am the moderator for the Masa in the Bear group. So the topic for this first meeting is self-introduction. For the first introduction, Miss Raffi. The second, Miss Novatalia. Then Rasmi, Reza, and Alyas. Okay, Mr. Raffi, are you ready? Hello, Mr. Raffi.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, place and time for you.
Okay. Okay. Is my voice clear? Hello. Is my voice clear? Hello.
Ya,
Can you hear me?
Udah terdengar ya.
Oh, masuk. Okay. Okay. My name is Muhammad Raffi Suprajeni. I am from Central Jakarta. I live in Jalan Cempaka Putih, if you know where that is. I am currently doing an internship at Kitab Semi in Science is where I'm at now. We learn multiple subjects, one of which is this storytelling session to improve my English speaking skills, and some of the others are like data science and metaverse. What should I talk about? Let's talk about where I live. So I said that I live in Jakarta, right? In Jalan Cempaka Putih. Back where I live, there are a lot of convenience store, restaurants, and food stalls everywhere on the street. So you never get really hungry where I'm from, because everything you want to eat is basically in like walking distance or at least cycling distance. So it's pretty easy to get what you want. Next is my studies. So I am currently a college student in the University of Indonesia. I am studying information system that is under the Faculty of Computer Science. It is basically kind of the same as computer science, but with a little bit of management mixed in it. So it's not a really specialized computer science course, but more mixing in the management. So maybe I can manage some IT projects in the future. Actually, I don't know what I'm going to do in the future currently. I'm currently searching for experience. That's why I'm here doing an internship at Kitab. Okay. What else do you want to know? Maybe Aji, do you want to ask me any question
Okay.
regarding me?
Maybe can you tell me about your experience when taking metaverse class?
When what? The metaverse class.
Yes.
So, all right. So the metaverse in here we may use several apps, desktop apps, some of which are like Blender, Sketch app, and Mozilla Hubs is where we demonstrate our metaverse that we made either in Blender or SketchUp. In Blender, though not as much in SketchUp, because I find Blender more diverse and exciting for me. So I choose to study Blender over SketchUp to make the metaverse that I then import to Mozilla Hubs. What else? Aji, do you want to ask anything else?
Maybe your hobby or
Oh, my hobby.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm actually more of a home person, actually. So my hobbies involve mainly, I use YouTube mainly about games like maybe Valorant, if you know, or Dota 2. Or sometimes I watch, if I get really like bored, I may watch some like science videos.
Oh. So you interesting about science world, like science, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you're really interesting with science world, right?
Yes, I am quite interested actually in physics and biology, I think.
Wow. We are so different. I got confused about
Yeah.
science and their friends.
Yeah, I actually kind of get that a lot. I mean, most of people I talk to, they actually mostly don't like science, right?
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Can you say
That's
you had internship in Siakis in
I
Bandung?
don't know.
Yes, in Bandung.
When it's my turn to speak.
Sorry.
How is it in Bandung or in?
Sorry. My name is Guillermo.
Wait. Sorry, it's kind of noisy in here. Let me move to some other place. So what was that? Hello.
Okay, so you now in Bandung or in Jakarta?
Oh, I'm currently staying in Bandung at my place.
So
Because
I
kita is in
want to
Bandung, right?
Okay. I want to know how your experience in Siakis. Tell me what's your experience.
From the educational side, I think it's all right. Like they teach you, they have like teacher that teach you about the subjects, and then you are, and you also act like as a mentor to teach the other participants by teaching. I think that's and the people here actually is quite nice actually in Bandung. There's a lot of nice people in Kitab too. Overall, it's a pretty nice experience. In the first few weeks, I was pretty bored because I got nothing to do. Because I just joined, I don't get much to do.
Okay, thank you, Raffi.
Okay, thank you for the question.
Okay, Mr. Raffi, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go to Novatalia. Miss Novatalia, are you ready?
Okay. Thank you, Aji.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yoharan Fatalia. You can call me Nova. Currently, I live in North Kalimantan. I'm working at PT Pesona Khatulistiwa Nusantara as maybe sometimes design graphics, sometimes a reporter, and sometimes I help everyone there. So yeah, quite uh, quite big jobs here. And then I used to internship at Siamole, is maybe the sister or the brother of the Siakis. I used to be internship I learn about the multimedia. I learn about uh, 360 video recording, and then I used to learn about design graphics too. And then I graduated from Sanata Dharma University in Yogyakarta at 2021. So yeah, I was born in Bandung, so I'm actually is a Bandung person, but I really like to traveling in another city, in Java, in Jogja, in Tangerang, and then now I'm in North Kalimantan. So I like to playing a video game. Maybe if you know The Sims 4, I really quite interesting about that. Uh, I like to make a house. I like to design the interior and etc. And then I like to mix and match the dress or uh, doing a makeup. Then I like to watch a movie from Netflix because I have no TV here and no bioscope here. So I watching movie in Netflix. I like Korean drama. Uh, the the uh, the story is I like the story about the doctor or about lawyer, and maybe the genre is about crime or mysterious things, not romance, because I don't like a cheesy one. So but I like some like horror too, but sometimes I'm really I'm too scared to watch that. And then I love to listening music, classic one or K-pop, actually, absolutely K-pop, and then maybe R&B. If we talk about music, I like and K-pop music, I like BTS so much. I have ultimate BS called Namjoon because he really smart and they have a really good song and music video too. So I like to swimming too and reading some novel because I like to writing. Currently, I write. I reading about buku bulungan. The story is about to tell everyone to know what is wisata. It's like pariwisata in here. So maybe if someone who don't know Bulungan or who do know what is North Kalimantan, they can read my book and then they will know about Bulungan and where they have to go when they are in Bulungan. Okay, that's it from me. Maybe someone want to ask me because I don't know how to introduce myself more. Maybe if we can chat. it's more help me more. Okay.
Okay, Miss Nova ya. Maybe you can mention one of your favorite song titles.
Okay, my favorite song is mostly every song in this album, but I like Love Yourself because it's really good. It have a really good lyrics and rhythm, and it's quite a meaningful lyric about love yourself, about how to appreciate yourself, how to make yourself improve, because sometimes when sometimes we feel anxiety, we feel not confident about ourselves, but if we can to love yourself, you can see what is your strongness, what if you weakness, so you can improve yourself more. Yeah, maybe some because the BTS is had a campaign with Love Yourself campaign, so it's make me feel more like to hear about the BTS album. Right, that's it, Aji, for me.
Okay, maybe someone else want to ask.
Can I add something? You said you wrote the buku Bulungan, right?
Yeah, I'm working with.
Yeah. Do you like writing? Or
Yeah,
is it?
because I graduated with major in history.
Oh,
It's forced me to have it's forced me to writing every semester. So it's like not, it's like reading is my daily activity for me.
oh, that's pretty cool. Actually, I don't actually quite like writing.
Yeah.
So what encouraged you to write? Just want to help you, maybe was given to you.
maybe when you interesting in something, maybe if for example, yeah, Rafi, you like science, right? So
Yeah.
if you have opinion about science, if you have opinion about maybe astronomy or maybe
Oh, yeah.
this is information, you the first thing you have to write is what is your opinion. It's free, it's rating is freedom, right? So you can use everything in your
Oh,
brain. So
yeah.
you can write it freedomly. So it's and you have to read about the science book or maybe astronomy books or something like that, because writing and reading is like a soulmate. So when you're reading, you have to reading, and then you have a point, and you can improve more your reading skill.
Permisi ya Kak ya. Okay, sorry guys, I cut it so that the others can make presentation. Maybe
Okay,
less ya.
thank you.
Sorry.
Okay,
Thank you,
no
Aji.
problem.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, and the next, Rasmi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please start.
Hello, my name is Rasmi. I'm from North Kalimantan, living in Salimbatu to be exact. I am a new student at the Surabaya State Electronic Polytechnic, majoring in informatic engineering. These colors equal to me because the sea and sky are both blue. Since childhood, I was an independent woman and also a hard worker. Um, I like to help my parents catch fish in the sea, look for shells, and then go to sell them around the village. Then the process from the sale I gave to my parents, and I save some of it. By the way, I also like gado-gado. I don't know why I like this food. Even though gado-gado is a mixed variety of vegetables, I really don't like vegetables. I only eat kale and capsicums. Like that's apart from that, I don't eat it. Is that a little weird? My hobby. I don't really know what my hobby because I like a lot of things like playing badminton and chess. Sometimes I also like reading and writing. So I don't know which one is my hobby. Maybe tomorrow or someday I already have permanent hobby. Oh yeah, I really like watching Korean drama in early 2021, since then. But in the last few months, I've been watching very rarely because of the busy scale of activities such as internship and attending Zoom training, which has almost no time left for rest. It don't matter. Maybe this can add to my insights and be useful for me in the future. Then, in the eyes of my friends, I am the strength human being. I like to act clearly. I like to scream for no reason. I like to joke, and sometimes I also like to suddenly set up. I don't know what the reason is. Um, Oh yeah, you know that I entered into informatic engineering. I was not a will or desire of mine actually, because I wanted after graduation from vocational high school, I wanted to continue my education with a major in Chinese literature, but maybe could didn't profit away there, so now I can only run and let go of what is my destiny. And then, in fact, a lot of things happen in my life that aren't fine with what I want or dream of. It appears to be what Allah said in Quran Al-Baqarah verse 2016. But it might be that you do not like something, even though it is good for you, and it may be that you like something, even though it is not good for you. Allah knows, while you do not know. That's what happened to me. Maybe I'm informatic engineering. It's better than having to go to Chinese literature. I hope this is the best path that Allah has given me for my future. Maybe that's all I can say, and maybe I've talked along. So thanks for listening.
Okay, thank you, Rasmi. And the next, Reza. Are you ready, Reza? Okay.
Okay, can I start? Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizal Rizky Rahman, born in Bandung on December 2003. Born in Bandung to grade 4 elementary school in Bandung, then moved to Tasikmalaya to vocational high school. I live in Tasikmalaya district. My house is so close to the beach, about 30 minutes. Can go to the beach by motorbike. And I go to school SMKN Bantar Kalong, majoring in software engineering because I really like to play in the front of the computer in cyberspace. After school, I continue my internship at CML GTEC in Science in Bandung for 12 months or 1 year. Until now, I have an internship for 3 months in Bandung, starting on May 13, 2022. I also want to tell a little about my experience in Bandung, which become my motivation. That experience and relationship with someone is important. Okay, so the story is that at night I went to Alfamart to buy food after buying. At the door, when I come out, I purposely want to finish my food first on the spot. Then in front of there were two tables to just finish my food. On the right is a student wearing a white shirt carrying a backpack with his eyes in front a laptop. On the left there is a parking attendant is a simple clothes on the while finishing his coffee and drink and cigarette. Then I walked to the right table with food, but suddenly my body turned to the left to meet the parking attendant who was drinking coffee. Then I sat next to him while opening the food. I booked after I sat down. The parking attendant, starting of conversation, he asks, "What is your name?" I answer, "Reza." And we also talk about family, work, and after talking for so long, I finally found out that this man is a famous person in area. He is a party politician and he also offers to help in case of difficulties where I live. So that the story, so I think is very important to add relationship. By the way, my hobby is playing competitive online games. What don't like playing online games or offline games. For the game that I play on my cell phone, namely the Mobile Legend Bang Bang, I can play all role. Some role tank, I can play high loss on marksman. I play Hanabi. Uh, it's for the ones on my cell phone, and there are other light games on my PC or laptop that I play, namely FPS games such as Point Blank, Valorant, CS:GO, which is a genre of
Reza,
weapon-based combat.
Reza, maybe enough ya, so that Ilyas will get a percentage.
Oh, okay.
Soalnya tinggal 4 menit doang. Oke.
That is from me. Thank you for listening to my story. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
And the last, Ilyas, are you ready? Okay. For Ilyas, Zoom using my device.
Hello everyone. Let's introduce myself. My name is Alessa Rizwana. I was born on May 27, 2000 here. I am 19 years old. I'm grade 20 from SMK 12 PPM Eri Majalaya school. I now live in Bandung. My hobbies are in sport, so as playing badminton, running, and over. Then I have free time, usually watch the movies and really like photography and videography because I am hobbies joiner an organization in school that focus on multimedia because was born a simple family at home also help people. I am like so focused when was three grade and hit high school. I was so to specific priorities fields work at small kitchen and from usually for also sorry if there is a mistake making.
Okay, guys. Well, for tonight meeting, I think that's enough. We meet again tomorrow at the same time with the topic of culinary. Thank you all. Nice to meet you.